Yo, this is badrukaneza, rusikizandekye studios, together with Sozo Cafe. Tugezaako kukola wano oven naye nga tuli mu kisiibo tugenda kuba tusiibula abasiibi bonna. Yeah, that is like Umar ibn Khattab said, La Islam illa fil Jama'. There is no Islam apart from working together. So Muslims, we work together, we eat together, we do a lot of things together. Like the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Salatul Jama'a afdal min Salatul Farq bi 27 daraja. That congregational prayer is better than praying one person with benefits, 27 benefits. So this is what I was talking about, that arrows records, we are focused on preaching love, preaching the word of God, preaching faith, peace and love. Get in touch with us on www.badrukaneza.blogspot.com. Subscribe to our channel, Arrows Records and Studio. Peace and love.